Oh, I'm trying. Yeah, man. Oh, I'm trying. Yeah, man.
You want to rewire the hydraulics and put that to the gun with your car.
This is one of the good deeds of Jamaica, what we're doing. Because you happen. Something they also get messed up on the road and I try to sort them out still, you know. Kind of lend them a jack and thing. And go on with them things still, you see me? Good Jamaican deed, man. People stop on the road, they just go and do them things still, you know. Help them out, help them up on the road and things. You can get a puncher still. Don't do anything. The puncher you get? You get puncher?
Yeah.
You catch it? Catch it back.
You catch it already?
Man, a great policeman, man, I tell you, a real thing. The number one policeman in the world. So when I deal with the thing, I fan me down and stop and we deal with the thing same because you know what happen. Life of Jamaica, you know, we help each other. You understand? Like two decent police officers do them thing, I take care of the thing. And a blessing same me, see? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. For real. You can't have it better than this. A real police on the road, see me. I'm up a full police all the time, you see me? So we have a real thing on the road, see me, I do the thing. And I do them work, see me. Yeah, police them stop. Man car, man, deal with the man car. You want to put on the wheel and all that, so, you know. Still are real people at Jamaica, so I don't know anything already. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Real tights. That's it. Yeah, we kind of connect to a new road and I realize a new road that I'm not a so I'm not a base still, you know. Them stop me. So I run up there for them stop me and take up thing and deal with things still, you see me? So that's the thing that the thing up to me. And that's what I think.
There's a where you guys heading?
Kingston. We just turned back a while ago to start to get to the gas station.
Oh yeah, there's a tire shop in another place. So you can have them check it.
Yeah, okay.
We're just thinking of just getting a new tire. Just today we know we need a new tire. And you know, so we were all the way down there. So we were just turning back to try to get to the gas station.
You gotta go into Nata Bay for that.
Yeah, yeah.
And I know so we still have real police at Jamaica, see me. I know I help people make sure things are go right, see me, see me. Yeah. That's the thing. Yeah, man, a blessing here, sir. Yeah, man, see me. Yeah, man. No worries, no worries. Be safe on the road. Yeah, man. No worries. Yeah, man, so you think. Yeah, blessing here. Yeah, man. So you think, man. Anything happen on the road, yeah, we stop and make sure it's a boy. Thing I run good because I don't know anything. And people cannot tell anything. Punch animals, police and everybody stop and help them out. They move on again. So policeman do a good work today. Good job he do today. So I'm kind of alright. Yeah. So I say, pack bottom. Pick up everything. And most of the food we deal with still. That's everything.